Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to connect Canva to Dropbox so we can easily save, access, and manage our design files in one place. This integration helps streamline our workflow and keeps our files backed up automatically. On our Canva dashboard, we connect Dropbox by clicking the three dots on the left side of the dashboard. Then we click Apps. From here, we just need to search for Dropbox and press Enter. We then click on Dropbox to start the integration. We can integrate using Use in Design, as shown here. Next, we choose the projects we want to link with Dropbox. As you can see, Dropbox now appears in our list. We then click Connect to link Dropbox to Canva. We just need to log in with our email, accept all permissions, and sign up. From here, we simply choose the plan that works best for us. There are a few different options to pick from. Once we select a plan, we are now connected to Dropbox. And that's how we connect Canva to Dropbox in just a few easy steps. We can now store and organize our designs more efficiently across both platforms.